Are you ready to glow up this summer? In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step routine that will have you looking and feeling your absolute best, just in time for the warm weather. From skincare to hair care to aesthetic body tips, we've got you covered. Get ready to radiate confidence and turn heads wherever you go. Hey there, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share my ultimate summer glow-up routine with you today. As the weather starts to heat up, it's the perfect time to renew your self-care routine and embrace a fresh, glowing look. Now, I know that the idea of a glow-up can seem a bit daunting, but I promise you, it's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your skin, hair, and body and feel like the best version of yourself. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. Step 1. Refresh your skincare routine. The foundation of any great glow-up starts with healthy, radiant skin. That's why the first step in our summer routine is to revive your skincare routine. First and foremost, it's crucial to establish a consistent cleansing routine. Twice a day, morning and night, be sure to gently cleanse your face with a nourishing, non-drying formula. This will help remove any impurities, excess oil, and buildup that can dull your complexion. Next, it's time to focus on hydration. During the summer months, your skin can become dehydrated more easily, so it's important to incorporate a moisturizer that will lock in moisture and keep your skin plump and dewy. Look for a formula that contains hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or aloe vera. Don't forget to add a brightening serum to your routine as well. Serums packed with vitamin C, niacinamide, or alpha-hydroxy acids can help even out your skin tone, fade dark spots, and give you that coveted, lit-from-within glow. Finally, don't skip on sun protection. Applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day is crucial for preventing sun damage, wrinkles, and discoloration. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Step 2. Revitalize your hair. Now that we've got your skin taken care of, let's move on to your hair. Summer can be tough on our locks, with factors like heat, humidity, and chlorine from the pool taking a toll. But don't worry, I've got some tips to keep your hair healthy and gorgeous all season long. Start by giving your hair a deep conditioning treatment once a week. Look for a nourishing mask that's packed with moisturizing ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, or shea butter. This will help replenish any lost moisture and leave your hair feeling soft, silky, and manageable. Next, be mindful of your styling routine. Try to limit the use of hot tools like blow dryers, straighteners, and curling irons, as they can cause damage and dryness. Instead, opt for air drying or using low heat settings whenever possible. To add some extra shine and vibrancy to your hair, consider incorporating a hair serum or oil into your routine. These lightweight formulas can help tame frizz, smooth flyaways, and impart a beautiful, glossy finish. Finally, don't forget to protect your hair from the sun's rays. Just like your skin, your hair can become dry and brittle when exposed to too much UV radiation. Wear a hat or scarf when you're spending time outdoors, and consider using a leave-in conditioner or hair mist with built-in sun protection. Step 3. Achieve an aesthetic body. Now that we've covered skincare and hair care, let's move on to the final piece of the glow-up puzzle: your body. Summer is the perfect time to show off your hard work and feel confident in your own skin. First and foremost, focus on maintaining a healthy, balanced diet. Incorporate plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to nourish your body from the inside out. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also crucial for achieving that summer glow. Next, establish a consistent exercise routine. Whether it's going for daily walks, trying out a new workout class, or simply doing some at-home yoga, regular physical activity can help tone your muscles, improve your posture, and boost your overall confidence. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more great glow-up tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss another episode. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're finding the information helpful. Don't forget to pay attention to your body's other needs as well. Take time to indulge in relaxing self-care rituals, such as a luxurious body scrub or a soothing bath. Treating yourself to regular massages or dry brushing can also help improve circulation and leave your skin feeling smooth and radiant. Finally, consider incorporating some aesthetic body treatments into your routine. Things like professional waxing, spray tans, or even a subtle body shimmer can help you feel polished and summer ready. Just be sure to do your research and work with reputable professionals to ensure the best results. Step 4. Embrace a positive mindset. While the physical aspects of a glow-up are important, it's equally crucial to focus on your mental and emotional well-being. After all, true beauty radiates from the inside out. Start by practicing self-love and acceptance. Remind yourself of your unique strengths and qualities, and don't be afraid to celebrate your individuality. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting people who make you feel confident and empowered. Additionally, make time for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's reading a good book, trying a new hobby, or simply spending time in nature, engaging in activities that nourish your soul can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Remember, a glow-up isn't just about physical transformation. It's about embracing your authentic self and feeling comfortable in your own skin. By cultivating a positive mindset, you'll not only look your best, but you'll also feel your best, and that's the ultimate goal. Step 5. Flaunt your glow. Congratulations, you've made it through the steps of your ultimate summer glow-up routine. Now it's time to flaunt your newfound confidence and radiance. Whether you're hitting the beach, attending a summer party, or simply going about your daily life, embrace your transformed look with pride. Wear your favorite outfits that make you feel beautiful and empowered. Accessorize with pieces that accentuate your features and highlight your unique style. Most importantly, don't be afraid to let your inner light shine. Smile, make eye contact, and engage with the world around you. Your confidence and positive energy will be contagious, and you'll inspire others to embrace their own glow-up journey. Remember, a true glow-up is not just about the physical transformation. It's about feeling comfortable, confident, and truly happy in your own skin. So go forth, my friends, and let your summer glow shine bright. There you have it, guys, my step-by-step summer glow-up routine. By focusing on your skincare, hair care, and body treatments, as well as cultivating a positive mindset, you'll be well on your way to looking and feeling your absolute best this summer. Remember, the key to a successful glow-up is consistency and patience. Stick to your new routines, be kind to yourself, and trust the process. Before you know it, you'll be radiating confidence and turning heads wherever you go. So what are you waiting for? Let's get glowing. I can't wait to see the incredible transformations you all achieve. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more great content like this, and be sure to share your progress with me in the comments. I'll be cheering you on every step of the way.